Snappy Trap, the all-in-one drain kit from Coflex, makes installing any sink a snap. All parts included for any configuration. With Snappy Trap, you can install with confidence. The first time, every time. Snappy Trap's patented flexible pipe adjusts to any setup. The smooth interior prevents residue buildup, won't cause odors, and doesn't require cleaning. Snappy Trap has easy-to-follow installation instructions and support videos for every situation. Step 1. Connect the pre-assembled P-trap to the wall drain with either a threaded connection or the flexible wall coupling. Next, connect the tailpiece and elbow to the threaded sink strainers. Now you're ready to complete the drain connections with the pre-assembled dual flexible hose. Connect the hose to the elbow on the left side, then connect the other hose to the disposal on the second sink. No disposal, no problem. Just use the second elbow for the second bowl connection. Press on the dishwasher drain hose. Tighten and check all connections. And snap, you're ready to test your new drain system. It's just that easy.